Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by bringing audio into the project so you can work immediately. Import the music file by dragging into the project panel or use File Import. Make sure your sequence sample rate matches the file, 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz to avoid drift. Next, create or select an audio track, drag the clip to a dedicated music track so it won't clash with dialogue. Once done, scrub the timeline to pick the music entry point and trim any intro to match your first cut. Now place the music where it supports the edit, aligning it to markers or an edit point so beats land with cuts. Use the clip volume control for coarse level adjustments and the track mixer for overall balancing. Aim for consistent dialogue prominence, around -18 LUFS for program audio versus louder music. Apply fades with the constant power fade for smooth crossfades, and add volume keyframes when music must duck under speech. Make sure to listen across different volumes to verify balance. Finish by rendering audio previews to hear the final mix. Watch meters to prevent clipping and keep peaks below 0 dBFS. If voice competes with music, use Essential Sounds auto ducking for quick results, or refine manual keyframes for precise control where music dips under speech. When exporting, choose the desired audio codec and sample rate, then test the file on headphones and speakers. If levels sound off, revisit gain staging. If pops appear, check for overlapping clips or sample rate mismatch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.